Le golf doit composer avec plusieurs préjugés. L'un de ceux-là, c'est le fait que ce soit un sport de vieux. Chez les femmes, on a vu avec Lydia Ko à quel point il y a une nouvelle génération qui entre en ligne du côté de la LPGA. Et la dernière en liste, mais pas la moindre, est une Canadienne. Brooke Henderson, 17 years old, knocking at the door of the LPGA. What a great feeling.
It is, and amazing. I turned pro about a month ago, December 18th, and it was the greatest day of my life. You know, it was a dream come true for me. I've been wanting to play on the LPGA Tour and wanted to play professional since I was a little girl, and now it's my real job. It's my life, and I'm very excited and looking forward to this season in particular and the seasons to come.
I'm speaking with you, I'm looking at you, your name is on the bag. I mean, you're still a little girl. How do you manage all that?
Well, I'm very lucky. I signed with IMG, which is a great agency and great agents, and they're looking after me very well. Ping is an amazing company, and I've known their clubs are a great product since I was a little girl because that's what I've always played, but meeting all the great people of Ping at the Phoenix headquarters just a few weeks ago was an amazing experience, and I'm very blessed to be able to work with them and be part of their staff.
It's a funny thing because I play ping too, but I don't have the same results as you have. So it's also a question of talent. You said it before, you started really early in Smiths Falls, not too far from Ottawa. Can you take us through what brought you to the door of the LPGA?
Yes, my dad started coaching my sister and I since we were very young, and I started about 5 years old, and I grew up watching my older sister play. So every weekend I would go to a tournament and watch her, and she'd be swinging a club in the fairway, and I'd pick up a stick in the bush and just try and mimic her swing. And she's always been a huge role model for me, and even now she's playing on the Symetra Tour as a professional golfer. She caddies for me a little bit, I caddy for her, and just having her there is such a great comfort, and I love having her right there beside me.
I said it before with Lydia Ko, with all the other golfers, you know, coming to the LPGA younger and younger. I mean, you're at the age where you decided to go to college, what I'm going to do. Was it a tough decision to say, let's put that aside maybe for a while and go right now to the LPGA and try to see what's going to happen there?
It was a decision that required a lot of thought, and it took a long time to make the decision, and I worked really hard with my family, my friends, and the people really close to me to make sure I made the right decision. I've always been a huge fan of the University of Florida and the Gators. I painted my room when I was in grade 7, I think, all Gators, and so I'll always be a big fan of theirs, and I love watching their results and everything. But for me right now, the best decision is to turn pro and to start making my career and start living the dream.
You know, I spoke about Lydia Ko. She got results early. You had results all your career so far. Are you prepared to take the time that it's going to take to make sure that you, if the results are not there, you know, as quickly as some other golfers, that you will take it step by step?
Yeah, for sure. I know that golf is a game of up and downs, and I'm prepared for that. So far in my amateur career, it's been a lot of ups, which I'm very grateful for. But I know this year in particular, my first year on tour, my rookie season, I have to expect those low times, and I got to be able to bounce back from that. And this year I'm really going to use as a way to gain experience and get ready for my future years on tour.
So we hope to see you at the Canadian Open?
Yes, hopefully I'll be in both Canadian events, and I know for sure in the US Open. Other than that, we'll see how it goes.
Well, you're only 17, you're already there, so we wish you the best of luck.